three brushes that I dropped. So these, what's up beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing an unbagging. So this is my Morphe Me by Live Glam. This is a monthly subscription, so it costs me around $30 to $35 Canadian with shipping. And it says it comes with 3 to 7 brushes every month, and it does vary from month to month. I have got 5 brushes before, I've got 4 brushes before, so we're gonna dig right in here and see how many there are. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and we are gonna get right into it. So every month it does come with a card that gives you a rundown of each brush. So this month came with 3 brushes, so there was a lot less. This is the least amount I've ever received, so let me know in the comments below if you have tried this before and if this has ever happened. Have you ever just got 3 brushes? Now I will say that these are all labeled, I do believe they're deluxe brushes, so I will just get started. So this is the first one. So this is the pointed powder brush. This is M448. So it's just a nice pointed tapered powder brush. I will definitely get good use out of this. This is a really nice brush, so I am really excited to try this one out. Now it doesn't give prices for each individual brush, which I would actually like, but you win some, you lose some. Next we do have, this is the round powder brush. Round powder brush. It says that this gives killer contours and snatch sculpting are in your future. With this soft powder brush, your face and these domed bristles create the perfect pair. So that's pretty interesting. And I want to read what the first one said too. So for the M448, it says, define those fine features of yours with this sleek, tapered brush. This brush will have you feeling just peachy throughout the hottest days. Awesome. I love these. So I am going to pull out this one just to show you what it looks like. I have received some of my favorite brushes from this subscription. Now, another thing about this subscription that's super cool is you can actually swap your brushes out. So because it's the beginning of August, I was given the choice to keep the brushes that were in my collection, or I could swap them out for a whole new collection. And I was like, whatever, I'm just going to swap them out. So that's this one. This will definitely get some use. This will, I don't know. I'm really excited. Put it there, maybe here. There's so many different uses for brushes. Like, what it says it's for isn't necessarily the only thing it's good for. So always keep that in mind. Especially if you're new to makeup and you're like, what is this brush for? I just use different brushes for what they work best. Now, last but not least, I'm really excited for this one. This is the M446 round buffer brush. So I love this type of brush for foundation application, and it's very dense. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. Now, my favorite foundation brush that I've ever received or ever really had came in this subscription box, and it is a Morphe flat top kabuki, so I'm really excited to give this bad boy a try. Now, this one says that this rounded kabuki style brush fits in the curves of your face to perfectly blend foundation, like blending up a delicious fruit smoothie. So as you can tell, this is your main squeeze is the title. That is the theme for this month. So recapping, we got the rounded kabuki brush. This is M446. I don't know if you can see that. Then we also got the Morphe M450. This is the rounded powder brush. And last but not least, we did get the Morphe M448. This is the pointed powder brush. I'm really excited for these. So these 3 brushes that I dropped. So these 3 brushes are the ones that come with the August subscription for me. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried this subscription? I will definitely leave the details linked, so make sure you do that. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I love hanging out with you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Mwah.